Hello, 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 everybody. Root Beer here. We got question number 9 on the Fermat paper from the year 2003. So, the average, or mean, of 1/5 and 1/10 is 1 over x. The value of x is... Okay. Well, the average of two things, be they fractions, be they numbers, whatever it is, if you have an average... two things. You add up all the things and divide by how many things there are. So 1 over x is supposed to be the average, and that's 1/5. The average of 1/5 and 1/10. How many things are there? There's 2 of them. So 1/5 plus 1/10 over 2, that's the average. That's equal to 1 over x. Okay. Well, we have numbers all on the right-hand side. Let's simplify this. First, the top, those two fractions. Let's find a common denominator. 1/5 is the same as 2/10. And now that we have a common denominator of 10, we can add these guys up. So 2/10 plus 1/10, that's 3/10, all over 2. And when we divide a fraction by an integer, we just multiply the denominator by that integer. So that's going to be 3 over 20. Okay. So 1 over x is 3 over 20. What we could do is we could cross multiply. We can get the 20 multiplied by 1 over x. Or sorry, the 20 over here times 1 is the same as 3 times x. So 20 is 3x. Divide by 3 on both sides. And we'll get 20 over 3 is equal to x. That's pretty simple. 20 over 3, hey, that's a. So we would bubble an A on our sheet. And we'd move on to question number 10. Keeping an eye on time, you want to do the first 10 questions somewhat quickly. I don't mean rush through them. I don't mean don't read them. But you want to, if you want to get a good score, question A, the part A questions, they're only worth 5 marks. Where does it say that? Yeah, each correct answer is worth 5. You want to be moving on to B, where everything's worth 6, and especially if you have the time, read through these guys at the very start. Part C is worth 8. If you want a good mark, focus on the later questions. But you don't want to be the guy who got almost perfect but didn't get question 1. So do take care with the part A. But we're starting to think about part B now. We're starting to sort of psych ourselves up for that. Got one more question to go, question 10, and we're going to take a look at that in the next video. And then it'll be on to parts B, and later part C. Thanks for watching.